Today we're gonna make the easiest cookies ever. It's just 2 ingredients. There is peanut butter and maple syrup. Start with 1 cup of natural peanut butter. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And mix until a cookie batter forms. Scoop batter onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. And mark with a fork. Bake at 350 for 10 minutes until golden brown. Remove your cookies and cool before eating. This is why you can make cookies with only 2 ingredients. Peanut butter is a natural fat, and when you add a liquid to it, it seizes the peanut butter and it becomes more of a cookie dough consistency. You take that cookie dough that you make, and you shape it and then you bake it until you get these beautiful cookies. Now you too can make the easiest cookies ever. Comment down below, let us know what you think of these cookies. Please subscribe to our channel and smash that like button.